Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Endel application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now go to the settings section by tapping on the second button. Now scroll down till you find this data access section and click on the allow notifications button down below. Now as you can see, you should select the allow option by tapping on the allow button. So now the notifications from this application notifications are allowed, so this function has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.